Welcome. Today is Tuesday of week 9. So we are doing Chinese. What we have today is a velveted crispy shrimp. So let's talk about velveting first. Velveting, so what we do here is in this bowl I have the shrimps and I bought red shrimps this time. I put salt, some Chinese wine, cornstarch and egg whites. Mixed it together and kept it in the fridge for about 2 hours. A minimum of 30 minutes, maximum of about overnight works fine. Now make sure that when you are getting shrimp or buying shrimp, either they're cleaned and deveined, or you have to devein it. So I did devein the shrimps today. The shrimps are, has heads. And then I cut little slits on the side to keep it on the underside to keep it from curling. So we'll see, how that goes. So for the sauce, what we need is, this is soy sauce. Then we have some rice wine, some sesame oil, some cornstarch and some broth. So I have seafood broth today. And then the actual dish will use these straw mushrooms. This comes in tins. We have some whites and some greens here from the scallions or green onions, toasted walnuts, some ginger and garlic, and then to garnish in the end we have some greens from the green onion. So that's it. For the velveting part, what we will do is we will bring to boil about 4 quarts or of water, and then put it to simmer. We'll put these shrimps in there. Simmering meaning that there is no boil. So it's hot but no boil to the water. Till it's mostly white. To prepare the sauce, so in the broth, I'll add the soy sauce. The wine. The sesame oil, and the cornstarch, and keep it prepared. So it gives off a beautiful smell of sesame oil. So make sure that the cornstarch mixes well with the liquid and there are no lumps. So that's it for the sauce, so we'll get cooking. I have a hot pan here. I want to toast the walnuts. Just toast it for a few minutes on medium. Make sure that it doesn't burn. The pan is hot, so we'll add about 3 tablespoons, actually 4 tablespoons of oil. And to this we'll add the mushrooms. To this we'll add the ginger. These mushrooms comes in a brine. I drained the water, but as you can see, there's still some water left. And to this now we'll add the garlic. So that's about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. Let's move to the shrimp. So this is boiling, so we'll turn it down fully to simmer. Not even simmer, there should not be any boiling in there. So, and then we'll put the shrimps in. Be careful, this is very hot, and we'll let it cook or poach in this hot liquid till white. So it should take about 2-3 minutes. So we'll do it in batches. So let's go back to the sauce. At this point we'll add the green onions. So you can see that these are cooked. So we'll take these out. And then we'll put the rest of the in. Back to the sauce. We'll add the broth here. We'll want it to cook down. So let it cook while we do the rest of the shrimps. This sauce needs to cook down, and it will get all the flavors from the mushrooms and the onions. Shrimps are done, so we'll just put it very slowly into the sauce, and then just lightly toss it, not too much. And let it cook for just a minute. We want the gravy to stay a little bit, and then for finishing we'll add the walnuts, and to garnish we have the green onions. That's the crisp velvet shrimp. Very easy to make, quick and very tasty. So do make them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you, bon appetit, and see you tomorrow with another Chinese dish.